Hello friends, after solving first two layers, now we are focusing on the last layer of this cube. So I have this unsolved cube, unsolved last layer. So I have draw some diagram for your references 1 and 2. So whenever you got first this diagram, so you just follow this algorithm to get this two type of stage. So just follow this algorithm, right downward, front clockwise, right downward, back 2 times clockwise, right upward, front anti-clockwise, right downward, back 2 times clockwise, and right 2 times upward. So you will get this type of design. So this is your first solved side. So you just hold like this, and remaining unsolved side. So just hold like this. So solved sides on the back, and just apply this formula. The formula should be front 2 times clockwise, upper clockwise, left downward, right downward, front 2 times anti-clockwise, left upward, right upward, upper clockwise, and 2 times front anti-clockwise. So you will get solved cube. Thank you.